benefits like health insurance, paid holidays, and retirement money.
Still, in a job, you always have to listen to your boss, but in business, you are your own boss.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are conducting a short debate. There are two intelligent participants. They will discuss a very interesting topic, which is better, a job or a business. So let's hear from both sides, and please first of all introduce yourself and tell me which one you are in favor of. Okay.
My name is Afifa and I am in favor of job.
Okay.
If you watched my video, you know me very well. I am Ammar Khan and I am in favor of business.
Okay, so let's start from Afifa. As you are favoring job, so what's your opinion?
I think a job is better because in a job you get a fixed salary every month. You don't have to worry too much about.
Very good. Ammar?
But what if the salary is small? In business, you can earn more if your business grows.
Very good.
That's true, but in job you get extra benefits like health insurance, paid holidays, and retirement money.
That's lovely. Ammar?
Still, in a job, you always have to listen to your boss, but in business, you are your own boss.
That's
Maybe, but business has risk. If your business falls, you may lose money. In job, you are safe.
fantastic. Ammar?
But without risk, how will you grow? Business people can even create jobs for others.
That's fantastic.
Sagar bhaiya, what's your opinion?
I think both are good. A job is safe and steady, but a business gives freedom and growth. It depends on what you like and what skills and expertise you have. So, Afifa and Ammar, that was a tremendous debate. We learned that a job gives safety and regular income, while a business gives freedom and higher risk, but also higher reward. Both are very important in our society. Suppose if there are 4 members in your family, so 2 of them can get into a business and remaining of them can get into a job. Just we need to balance it. So thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you find this video fruitful, don't forget to like, share and comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you are watching this video on Facebook, follow me for more. See you in the next video.
Have a good day.